In this video, we will show you how to create a QR code in Canva. To create a QR code in Canva, we need to use the third-party application on Canva. Just create new designs. For example, here we create a logo first. Okay, rather than using the web browser to find the QR code generator, we can using the apps on Canva. Just select apps in here. Okay, and you can find the QR code. Type just QR code like this, and you can see there is QR code here. Just click this and just select open or click open button here. Okay, now when you want to add the QR code in Canva, you can type the URL. For example, let's URL website like this, and just click generate a code. Then you will have the QR code in here. It's very easy. Okay, after you open the QR code, when you creating another QR code, for example, when you in the design page, just go to the apps, and when you don't have the QR code like this, you can find on the your apps, and in here the QR code already added, so you don't need to find manual again. We type the text, just select your apps because you already create once, and in here become your apps tab here. Then you can just click again and just generate another like this, for example, and you can create another QR code. Okay, that's all tutorial how to create a QR code in Canva. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.